You guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl, and I'm back with another hitter. Welcome, my squad. And if you're just not coming to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So today I have the Hispanic soda. Look at that. It's called JARRITOS or Jarritos, whichever one you like to call it. I have the orange one. I have the pineapple. I have the fruit punch. And I have the Coca Cola, basically how we would say it in American. But it's called Pina for their pineapple. Mandarin. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong. And the two free two. And this one is, I'm gonna tear this name up, but it's considered the Coca Cola. So you guys, I'm gonna see how these four flavors, how I burp off of them. So I'm gonna start with the orange one because this is my favorite flavor. I love the orange. I'm gonna see how their orange flavor tastes, but I love orange soda. I love pineapple too, but I'm gonna try this one first. Okay, nice sound, ASMR. Oh. Yes. Okay. Taste is not bad. Not bad for the orange one. Okay. That's not bad for the orange one. I'll say thumbs up for this one. Okay. And I got these three left. We're going to go with the pineapple, as we would say it in our, in America. But theirs is called the Pina. We're going to see how this one tastes. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, yes. That sound is awesome, you guys. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Yes. Awesome. Smells good. Okay. Okay. And I like their sodas because was pineapple. I said Pina. Did I misread that wrong? What it is? Oh, so basically, what I like about their sodas is that this one says pineapple, but it also gives you how you say it in Spanish. That's awesome. Fruit punch, but it also lets you know how you say it in Spanish. That's so dope. I like that. Cool. This one doesn't, and the Coca-Cola doesn't. But these two give you like the American way and the Hispanic way. Okay. Thumbs up to the pineapple. I like that one. So I think I like the pineapple verse better than the orange one. That one's very good. I love pineapple too. So we're gonna try the fruit punch. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh God. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Tastes pretty good. Okay. So the fruit punch doesn't have like a strong taste like the pineapple and the orange, but it's not like a nasty taste. It's very light. Okay. Okay. Shouts out to the fruit punch. I'm gonna say this one gonna come in last. Well, it's gonna come in third place. Now we got this one. So I'm guessing this is considered the Coca Cola, you guys. Let's see how this one works out. All right. Pretty good. Very light, like the fruit punch. Okay. So I'm gonna say, out of all four of these, the pineapple made me burp the most. So I'm gonna say that's in first place. Then I'm gonna say the orange one is in second. The fruit punch is in third. And the Coca-Cola is last. And that is what it is, you guys. This was so awesome. This was an awesome review. I like that I had to taste all the flavors that they had. And the pineapple was my favorite. The orange was my second. And the fruit punch was my third. And the Coca-Cola was my last favorite. And you guys, if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I would love for you to be part of the squad. We would love for you to be part of the family. And also comment below. Let me know if you have any challenges that you would like for me to do, any reviews, anything that you want me to do, any mukbangs. Let me know. I would love to do those for you. Also, my information is at the bottom. My Instagram is below. Please follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. I love my beautiful flowers. Thank you guys once again. Thank you for all the support from my new subbies and my old subbies. And I love you until next time. Bye. Mwah.